to the world of cricket.
Yep,
And we hope that we have a very long and increasing presence of your company into the game and many other sports as well. Vijay, MRF synonymous. There's no question about it. And what your company has done is probably unparalleled in the history of this country in terms of taking the sport or one aspect of the sport forward. But all that notwithstanding, your thoughts on why you were happy to accept this as an association.
Charu, thank you. MRF has been synonymous with cricket now for more than 20-30 years, and just like the brand is strong and powerful, the anthem actually reflected the same thing. And we are happy that for a brand like MRF, the trust is reposed in the NDTV Toyota University Cricket Tournament, and we are indeed very happy to be proudly associated with this venture.
Well, thank you very much. And if there's any other thought, we'd love to hear it as well in terms of another initiative that you might want along with the championship, something special that you might create. You may, if you think about it.
Oh, there are several opportunities, but you know, the budding talent that will come through from the university level, which was largely ignored, as Wasim Bhai just said, that will really give a big impetus to the sport in the country and the youth. You know, when you say "Ab hamari bari hai," it says a lot for how young India is progressing.
Without question. And Harsh, just in case you're wondering, ab tumhari bari hai. So listen, I mean, you were very, very closely associated in Hyderabad, as we all know, with university cricket. And much as cricket, we have talked about this earlier, evolved in a certain manner. There might be people out there saying, what's with this T20? But your thoughts on the fact that this is the currently most popular form of the game, and would you therefore say, yep, that's where we need to make sure that people's interest and enthusiasm is centered?
My first emotion is jealousy.
Like that.
I think cricket's got to be inclusive. Everybody has to have an opportunity to play and feel very special. And I remember in my final year in college, when it was clear I was not going to play any more cricket, to be picked for your university side meant you were being picked for India, because that was the ambition. And now for that same level of selection to be seen on television, to be appreciated is awesome. So Rohan Tandware 81-82 was very different. It just started to dip off, but a lot of great cricketers came out of university cricket. Sunil Gavaskar made a name in university cricket. The university team that I played in had two players who went on to play test match cricket, in Azharuddin and Arshad Ayub. A couple of them played the Duleep Trophy. It was a pretty decent standard of cricket. So I'm hoping that a lot of people who after school tend to taper off from education would want to stay on in university, because here's a visible tournament. It's a visible tournament that you can play. And going to university changes a lot of things. I mean, you can ask people like Anshuman Gaikwad, Dilip Vengsarkar, who played a lot of university cricket, that when they finished playing cricket, because of their education, they had another option open to them. A lot of people who don't go to university, then you've got to be Wasim Akram, who, I mean, I'd like to meet your captain from college one day, because he seemed to have a great eye for talent. But I think it changes your life. So I hope a lot of people who are playing here would realize that if they make it really big through university cricket, there's many other avenues open to them.
Okay, just one very quick point here. You mentioned an important word, visible university cricket. Now we know that the TUCC is going to be very visible, thanks to our television partners, Star. And when you talk about the seriousness, the gravitas, the weight of telecast, I mean, none better than Star Cricket, in the Toyota University Cricket Championship is going to be on Star. So it's a fantastic development. But visibility is a double-edged sword. It's like a coin, it has two sides. And on one hand, of course, it gives you a lot of impetus. It provides you that enthusiasm, energy. On the other hand, it may lead to a couple of situations where the visibility becomes more important than everything else that the game is all about. And do you think there's enough checks and balances to control that?
I hope so. It's something that each person must decide. But hang on, when we played universities cricket, my souvenir is a badge, not in a blazer, just a badge, and a little clipping that was pasted onto a scrapbook that I can look back. Now all of a sudden you've got footage to show that you played. It's very different, the visibility. And I hope at this level, the side effects that you're talking about that are so cruelly affecting our under-19 cricket will not come through here. On under-19 cricket, what you talked about is a major side effect, the visibility and the negative effects that come through sometimes. But with university cricket, I hope not. I mean, you get educated for a reason, right?
Exactly. So, a couple of very important points here, folks. So we hope that university cricket will make that very essential difference. I just also want to quickly, I should have mentioned this earlier, but I will now. All of us, if we were wondering especially in the early years, not so much now, Wasim ko gussa kyun aata hai? Because he was made 12th man of his merit. So, he said, main dikhaunga duniya ko. So, of course, the rest of us suffered. The rest of the world suffered. So, moral of the story, 12th man for a year, make them suffer. But, it's time to move along because we have 8 extremely energetic, talented, skilled youth with us who, if not leading their side, are major members of their side. And the final item on our agenda is to introduce to you the new heroes, potential heroes of cricket in our country. And I hope that all of them will have not only the skill to go forward, but the wisdom to understand where they stand as ambassadors of the game and to take the proper cricketing values forward, which we so sorely missed from the past. So if we are ready now with fanfare, let us begin this process. It's going to take me a second to manage my papers, then we'll start. Okay. So they've been sweltering in the heat for a while. They might be a little sweaty and kind of, active looking, but here we go. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. For the Northern Stars, Jamia Millia Islamia, their captain Praveen Singh Yadav. लड़के हैं हम धड़के हैं हम गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे तो छोड़ दे मैदान किया है ऐलान छीन के भी ले लेंगे आसमान हमारी बारी है बारी है जीत की तैयारी है Stallion. Can we have from Aligarh Muslim University the captain Imran Salim? क्या भाग क्या है ये भी ना बात हमको अब तक सोए थे खोए थे सपना छटक पैरों को पटक निकल पड़े हम हैं धुल की औलाद रखना ये याद हम होंगे यहाँ Okay, next Eastern Tigers from the APS Rewa University, their captain Naveen Tiwari. जीत की तैयारी है Eastern Eagles from Jaunpur University in Uttar Pradesh, their finest player Nishant Rai. Let's switch to another part of the country, the fabulous South. The Southern Champs from Jain University, Bangalore, BC, their vice captain Leon Khan. ध्यान से देखिए इन लोगों को आगे बहुत देखेंगे इनको कमाल The Southern Sharks, the University of Madras, their captain S. Alai Karasal. Very popular. Shows that nice guys do make it to the top. And now to your own very part of the world here, the Western Wizards from Jivaji University, Gwalior, their captain Saurabh Dhaliwal. And finally, the Western Wolves, the University of Mumbai, Saurabh Netravalkar. Well, that got the people going. Okay, now I don't want to overdo this in any way. But once the music dies down, I'm going to ask you to see these people once again, realize what we have here. Very simply put, as we'd like to use as a tagline in the Toyota University Cricket Championship, the next gods of cricket. Now remember, gods are humble people. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen, the captains and the senior players. Nice and loud and warm. अपने लिए भी बजा लो ताली, क्या है? All right. What I'm going to do very quickly is I'm going to take this microphone and have a very, very quick chat with them. आप लोग आगे जाइए, don't worry यार. नहीं, आप बैठे रहिए if you don't mind. इनको थोड़ा सा आगे ले आएंगे. They have very quick chat, Wasim. I know you got to go. Very quick chat. Okay, here we go. Just so as we get to know them better. I wonder if you guys are in order. So can we have Praveen first? Praveen, you're that side. Okay, we'll go that side. Praveen, देखो मैं जानता हूँ आपको जहां तक भाषा का सवाल है, हिंदी में बोलना पसंद है, तो हमको ये बात बताइए कि आप अपनी टीम के कप्तान क्यों हैं? क्या खास बात है आप में?
मैं टीम को एक साथ लेके चलता हूँ और टीम के अंदर जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है वो बैठ के हम लोग सब उसके ऊपर बात करते हैं और वो उसको
थोड़ा पास पकड़ो यार।
उसको थोड़ा दूर करते हैं।
क्या दूर करते हो?
प्रॉब्लम जो भी टीम के अंदर प्लेयर्स के लेके जो भी चीजें होती हैं वो सब चीजें।
अच्छा देखो, मेरे पास तो कम से कम 100-200 सवाल तो होते ही हैं, लेकिन ये लकी वसीम, इफ यू डोंट माइंड कम अप यार, जॉइन अस, एंड अगर आप चाहें तो इनसे 2-4 कुछ मिक्स सवाल कर लें या कुछ एडवाइस ही दे दें।
बिल्कुल पूछ आप। हाँ। तो आपका नाम?
प्रवीण सिंह यादव सर।
इनको माइक दीजिए। आपका नाम बेटा?
इमरान सलीम।
बैट्समैन हो बॉलर हो?
बैट्समैन विकेट कीपर।
बैट्समैन विकेट कीपर। तो ये बताओ कि कीपिंग जो कप्तान होता है वो थोड़ा मुश्किल नहीं होता? जैसे धोनी है, उसके लिए काफी मुश्किल है आगे पीछे आना, तो आप कैसे बॉलर से बात करते हो? बस बॉलर को मार पड़ी है तो कप्तान ने बात करनी है, इन बिटवीन भाग के जाते हो उसके पास के बॉलर्स को पास बुलाते हो?
खुद भाग के जाना पड़ता है, बताना पड़ता है उनको कि सिचुएशन कैसी है, उसके हिसाब से रिस्पॉन्ड करना पड़ता है।
तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको? ये समझ रहे हैं, इतना आपको एक्सपोजर मिला, इतनी जबरदस्त आपको ये एक स्टेज मिला जिसपे अपना अगर अच्छे क्रिकेटर हैं तो ऊपर आ सकते हैं।
जी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, काफी मेहनत भी हो रही है इस टूर्नामेंट पर और इससे काफी अच्छा एक्सपोज मिलेगा यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट और यूनिवर्सिटी प्लेयर्स दोनों के लिए।
तो एक काफी एक्साइटमेंट थी यूनिवर्सिटी में जब आप पिक हुए?
बहुत ज्यादा
यहाँ पे
सारे प्लेयर्स को बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है इस चीज का, कब शुरू हो, कब हम लोग खेलें इस टूर्नामेंट को।
ओके, बहुत बहुत मुबारक और आपको
Thank you,
करते हैं, गुड लक कहते हैं।
Go on, Wasim. We're enjoying this here. If you got another minute, we've got a minute.
चलिए, आपका नाम?
नवीन तिवारी।
नवीन, माइक पास कर लो। आप क्या हो?
लेफ्ट हैंडेड बैट्समैन और राइट आर्म ऑफ ब्रेक।
राइट आर्म ऑफ ब्रेक और लेफ्ट हैंड बैट्समैन। कप्तान हो अपनी टीम के, तो क्या समझ रहे हो अपनी टीम को इस टूर्नामेंट में?
हमारी टीम